Hi friends, it's Rich Frazier here again. Happy Wednesday. I am a loan officer at Waterstone Mortgage and a certified instructor with Military Mortgage Boot Camp, bringing you this week's edition of Realtor Recon.
Left, right, left, sir, yes, sir.
Today I want to briefly discuss the VA funding fees, which is the one unique fee associated with a VA financing or a VA home loan. The funding fee is a one-time upfront fee paid to the Department of Veterans Administration for insuring or guaranteeing the veteran's home loan. It's just like PMI for a conventional loan or MIP for an FHA loan. Same concept, but with the one added benefit of no monthly mortgage insurance thereafter. So that's great to know, and it can really be beneficial to some of your veterans. The VA funding fee, although it's one time, it's generally financed into the loan on top of the purchase price, but it can be paid in cash. And since it can be paid in cash, the veteran has the benefit or the opportunity to negotiate with the seller to pay that fee on their behalf. It doesn't always happen, but we do see it quite often, so keep that in mind as well. So let's talk the numbers for just a moment. Now, if you remember last week, I shared with you that veterans that have at least a 10% service-connected disability do not pay a funding fee. It's zero. It's completely waived, which is an awesome benefit. But all other veterans, generally speaking, pay a 2.15% VA funding fee. Okay, so we know that most veterans do their home loans with zero down payment. So let's break these numbers down here. Veterans that make a zero down payment to as much as a 5% down payment pay just a 2.15% funding fee. Veterans that make greater than 5% or greater, up to 10%, pay just 1.5% funding fee. And veterans that make greater than a 10% funding or down payment pay just a 1.25% funding fee. These are for the first time that they use their VA benefits. Every other time, it's 3.3%. We call that subsequent use. Which is a quick side note here. Many veterans believe they can use their VA benefits just one time. That's simply not true. There is no limit to the number of times a veteran can use their VA benefits. There are some limitations based upon the amount that they have outstanding or how much they can use in their bonus entitlement for not making a down payment, but there is no limit to the number of times that a veteran can use their benefits. The only caveat is every time after the first time they will pay a little bit higher funding fees. So just keep that in mind. So just to recap again, veterans that make a 0% down payment to 5% down payment simply pay a 2.15% funding fee, 5% to 10% down, 1.5% funding fee, greater than 10% down, 1.25% funding fee, upfront, one time, no monthly mortgage insurance thereafter. That is an awesome benefit. And again, one of the reasons why I myself have used the VA loan program multiple times and will never do any other loan program for myself other than a VA loan, because it's the finest loan program on the planet. So that's it for this week, friends. I'm going to continue to bring you education every week to arm you with what you need to get out there and help more veterans. Next week, I'm going to be reviewing VA loan limits, so you don't want to miss it. So listen, real estate friends and friends of the real estate community, if you know a veteran that needs a home loan, that's buying a home, or just needs a loan, or needs a veterans advocate, I would be honored to work with them and talk with them and see what I can do to help them. Please have them call me. My phone number is listed right there. Plus, if you hang on right after this video, I'll have all of my contact information. And if they happen to be in an area that I do not service, guess what? I network nationwide with other MMBC instructors and certified loan officers that I will gladly get them in touch with. So no matter what, we'll be able to help them, because that's our passion. That's what we do. So again, call me here if you need me, or reach out to me through a private message through any of the social media that you find this video on, and I will be happy to help. So this is Rich Frazier signing out, and I'll see you next week on the next episode of Realtor Recon.